We're back on record, time is 12:52.
You testified earlier that you believe that Mahvash is an honest person, right?
شما قبلا شهادت دادین که اعتقاد دارین که مهوش خانم آدم صادقی هستن. Yes.
All right, before I get to there, so you testified about the conversation that you had with the meeting that you had at Portos. My question to you is there anything else that you're supposed to be testifying in this trial?
شما راجع به اون جلسه که در پورتوز انجام شد شهادت دادین. آیا چیز دیگه ای هست که در این محاکمه باید در مورد شهادت بدین؟ In what matter, in what
For example, any other conversations that you had with Mr. Moda that you're going to be testifying in trial?
مثلا در رابطه با صحبت‌های دیگه‌ای که با آقای مودا داشتین که در محاکمه باید راجع به شهادت بدین. I didn't have any other conversation with whom.
You came to court a couple of days ago to testify, correct?
یکی دو روز پیش شما اومدین رفتین دادگاه که شهادت بدین، درسته؟ Yes.
What matter were you supposed to be testifying about?
در رابطه با
What were you supposed to say?
موضوعی قرار بود شهادت بدین؟ قرار بود چی بگین؟ The things that you've asked me, not about my life, but about these issues.
Were you supposed to talk about anything else that we haven't talked about today?
آیا راجع به چیز دیگه‌ای که ما امروز راجع به صحبت نکردیم شما باید صحبت می‌کردین؟
راجع به چیز دیگه‌ای که راجع به صحبت‌های هومن میتونم بگم که
I can also say something about Human's statements, what he said. And this dispute with Human has caused our entire family to just become separated from each other. And when Human would sit down with family, he would tell everybody that I'm going to arrange it so Mahvash is going to would end up in Section 8.
Move to strike non-responsive. Except what you have testified today, except everything that you said today, is there anything else that you were supposed to talk about in court?
به غیر از صحبتایی که امروز اینجا کردین، چیزایی که امروز اینجا گفتین، آیا چیز دیگه‌ای بود که قرار بود در دادگاه صحبت بکنین راجع به شهادت بدین؟ I don't remember anything else.
Were you supposed to say anything about her Mahvash's emotional distress?
آیا راجع به مشکلات روحی و احساسی مهوش خانم قرار بود چیزی بگین راجع به نگرانیاش، ناراحتیاش؟ If it was brought up, yes, because Mahvash is not well at all.
Now, you testified that, in your opinion, Human, Kevin, was basically bothering Mahvash, correct?
توی صحبتاتون شما داشتین میگفتین که هومن یا همین کوین عملا داشته مهوش رو اذیت
Because of the
می‌کرده
lawsuit.
به خاطر این پرونده دعوی. Yes.
And you have seen Mahvash to change in the last few years, correct?
و شما مشاهده کردین که مهوش خانم در این چند سال اخیر تغییر کردن. She's changed a lot.
Okay, can you explain to me what do you know as why she has changed?
بر من بگین که تا اونجایی که شما میدونین به چه علتی ایشون تغییر کرده.
استرسایی که روش داره، اون چیزایی که فکر میکنه حقیقت نیست و هومن داره بهش گردنش میندازه.
The stress on her and things that she believes Human is not telling the truth about and is basically laying on her shoulders.
In this case?
در مورد این پرونده.
در مورد کل دعوایی که با هم دارن.
Just about the entire dispute that they're having with each other.
Okay, what else?
دیگه چی؟
به خاطر همین چیزا خیلیش خرد دیپرشن گرفته.
She has gotten depression because of all these things and is not feeling well.
Anything else?
چیز دیگه هم هست؟
حالا اون دیپرشن نگرفته، ما همه اون گرفتیم.
It's not her who's depressed. All of us are depressed.
Anything else?
چیز دیگه هم هست؟ No, I have nothing else to
Do
say.
you believe that Mahvash has been honest to Kevin?
شما احساس میکنین که مهوش خانم در مورد کوین صادق بودن؟
من نمیتونم مطمئنا بگم که این صادقه یا اون صادقه.
I can't say for sure whether he or she has been honest.
90% بگم که مهوش بیشتر راست میگه تا هومن.
But I can say 90% certainty that Mahvash tells the truth more than Human does.
Because هومن کاراکتر گذشته‌اش خیلی خراب بوده.
Because
اگه
Human's
هنوزم ادامه داشته باشه.
past character was not very good and it could have continued to this day.
So basically, you are looking at the past reports, you said, I think that's the word that she used, the past record of Kevin, that you believe as a result of that, you believe that he is not as truthful as Mahvash, correct?
پس یعنی شما داری میگین که به خاطر سابقه کوین یا رکوردش یا سابقش به این علته که شما فکر میکنین که به اندازه مهوش خانم ایشون صداقت نداره و حقیقت رو نمیگه، صادق نیست. Well, I trust Mahvash.
Okay, so you talk about trust, you talk about honesty. Do you know that Mahvash has lied on the penalty of perjury in this case?
شما راجع به صداقتشون صحبت میکنین. اطلاع دارین که در این پرونده مهوش خانم تحت سوگند دروغ گفتن؟
Objection calls for speculation.
اعتراض میکنین یا
Do you know or you don't know?
میدونین یا نمیدونین؟ I don't know.
Do you know that she has filed false police report with the court and she has admitted to that?
اطلاع دارید که ایشون گزارش پلیس دروغی به دادگاه به جریان گذاشتن و اعتراف کردن که این کارو کردن؟
Objection misstates testimony.
اعتراض میکنن
Assumes facts not evidence, lacks foundation, calls for speculation.
Do you know?
میدونین شما اطلاع دارین؟ I don't know.
Do you know whether or not Mahvash, for 1.5 years, even after the lawsuit, on the penalty of perjury, told Kevin that she was not in possession of any of the jewelry while she was?
اطلاع دارید که حتی تا 1.5 سال بعد از a year and a half
After the lawsuit was filed.
بعد از اینکه این پرونده دعوی به جریان گذاشته شد به کوین گفته که جواهرات رو در اختیار نداشته. I don't know.
If what I'm saying to you is truthful, do you still believe that Mahvash is a truthful person?
اگر که چیزی
Is
که
an
من
honest person?
بهتون دارم میگم حقیقت باشه، آیا فکر میکنین هنوزم فکر میکنین که مهوش خانم آدم صادقی حقیقت رو میگه؟
Objection calls for speculation, assumes facts not evidence, lacks foundation, incomplete hypothetical.
کاملا تفکریه. بفرمایید.
من به مهوش اطمینان دارم.
I trust Mahvash, but I don't know you.
Okay, I'm not asking you to trust me.
من از شما نمیخوام به من
I'm
اعتماد
telling
کنید.
you, I want you to assume that what I said about her is true.
من میخوام شما فقط استنباط بکنین، فکر کنین که حرفی که من راجع به ایشون میزنم حقیقت داره.
If
نمیتونم قبول کنم.
I can't accept it.
you can accept it because you trust her too much.
قبول نمیتونین بکنین به علت اینکه بیش از اندازه به ایشون اعتماد دارین.
من بهش اعتماد دارم.
I trust her.
Do you know whether or not she lied by filing a lawsuit, a complaint? Strike that. Do you know that Mahvash has lied by filing a wrong document with court?
اطلاع دارین که مهوش خانم با به اجرا گذاشتن یک مدرک اشتباه به دادگاه دروغ گفتن؟
Objection vague.
من نمیدونم. من جزئیات کار
I don't know. I don't know the details of their business.
Okay, it's after 1 o'clock. Counsel, I'll did my best to finish it. I'm not done yet. One of the problems that I have is not that she is, because we are using a translator.
Well, I understand.
Right.
I mean, we can go off the record, or we can keep this. We can keep the discussion about the status of the deposition on the record if you'd like, or we can go off. It's up to you.
I'll leave it up to you.
We'll go off.
Off.
Okay, we're going up to record time is 1:02.